Jain student, today we are going to discuss some important question in the chapter demand. On your screen the question number 7, that is what is slope of demand curve for Japan goods. The first we discuss what is demand. Demand refer to desire to have commodity backed by willingness, ability to purchase commodity at given price during the period of time. So the slope of demand curve indicate that for Japan goods is upward sloping, because indicating the positive relationship between the price and the quantity demanded of a commodity. Means the slope of demand curve is like the demand curve downward from left to right, indicating the inverse relationship between the price and quantity demanded of a commodity. But in the case of Japan goods, it upward, it's showing the upward sloping, indicating the positive relationship between the price and quantity demanded of a commodity. में जेफिन गुड्स के केस में जो स्लोप है डाउनवर्ड डिमांड कर्व का, वो अपवर्ड स्लोपिंग होता है, इंडिकेट करता है पॉजिटिव रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द प्राइस एंड क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड. डिफाइन द नॉर्मल गुड्स. Normal goods are those goods in case of which there is a positive relationship between the consumer income and quantity demanded. नॉर्मल गुड्स वो गुड्स होते हैं जहाँ पॉजिटिव रिलेशनशिप शो करता है बिटवीन द कंज्यूमर income and quantity demanded, and it implies that the income effect is positive. Next, inferior goods. Inferior goods those goods in case which there is a negative relationship between the consumer income and quantity demanded, and that income effect is negative. Means in the case of the normal and the inferior goods, we can say that normal and inferior both goods are the important for the customer. But normal goods are those goods in case which there is a positive relationship between the income and quantity demanded. Means normal goods may not be the initial of life. In case of normal, there is always inverse relationship between the price of own price commodity and quantity demanded. Here law of demand can apply. But in case of inferior goods, law of inferior goods, those goods case which there is a negative inverse relationship between the income and quantity demanded, other thing remaining the constant. Quantity demanded decrease in response to increase in income and vice versa. So income effect is negative. So inferior goods are initial of life. In other words, people buy inferior goods largely because these are initials for the of life. And in case of inferior, there may be not an inverse relationship between the own price of the quantity and quantity demanded of a quantity. Next questions, we can say the next questions, and what is to understand by the substitute goods. Substitute goods are those goods which can be substituted for each other. And what did the complementary goods? Complementary goods are those goods which goods are complete demand for each other. So in these both the goods, we can say that the demand for both the goods, these goods are also very important for the customers. The substitute goods are those goods which can be interchanged for the use, like tea, coffee, Pepsi, Coke, ball pen, ink pen. And complementary goods are those goods which can be completely the demand for each other. When the price of the complementary goods increase, the demand for given goods are fall, and vice versa, like pen, ink, bread, butter, car and petrol. So these are the complementary goods. And what does the movement on the same demand curve show? The movement on the same demand curve show existence and contractions of demand curve, and shift in demand curve, increase or decrease in the demand curve. And what do you mean by the existence of demand? And when the quantity demanded of a commodity increase due to decrease in own price of the commodity, the other factor remain constant. It is a situation of existence of demand. And what is meant by constructions in demands? And when the quantity demanded commodity decrease due to increase in the own price of the commodity, other factor remain constant. It is a situation of constructions of demand. Thank you.